Software development process. In software engineering, a software development methodology is a division of the software development work into distinct phases or activities, with the intent of better planning and management. It is often considered a subset of the system development life cycle. The methodology might include the predefinition of specific deliverables and artifacts that are created and completed by a project team to develop or maintain an application. A wide variety of such frameworks have evolved over the years, each with its own recognized strengths and weaknesses. One software development methodology framework is not necessarily suitable for use by all projects. Each of the available methodology frameworks are best suited to specific kind of projects, based on various technical, organizational, and project and team considerations. The three basic approaches applied to software development are prototyping, spiral, and waterfall. In a spiral, we move through the phases in a spiral, going from evaluation, development, planning to analysis all the way around to evaluation. In waterfall, we move through the phases in a straight line, going from requirements to design, implementation, verification, and maintenance until we finish developing the software. An example of a program. Suppose we design a software that simulates a waiting list in a customer service. The first thing to consider according to the development process is how the program works, what functions can be performed by a person on the list. We begin to take the entire set of general ideas to transform them into concepts that can be implemented by code. An idea of the program will be: the person comes into the building and takes a ticket that indicates what number person is and then waits until the desk is empty to be attended.
Okay, so we have this little program to show you basically how the process of developing software works. First of all, we do a analysis of what we would like to do or what the customer or client wants. Then we design and make graphics or something like that to improve and try to understand better the idea of what we want to develop. So here we have a program that simulates the waiting list of a customer service. In this case, it works in a hospital. So in here we would like to create how many departments. It is what we would like to put, so we're gonna put 3. So we click on here and the program will ask for us to put how many desktops we would like to have in every department. It's department number 3. We're gonna put 2 desktops. The other one we're gonna put 3. This one we're gonna put 1. Just 1. It is a message that it says proceed to simulation and desktops and departments were created successfully. So we also have this little screen that tells us and shows us to the information of what we just did. It says 3 departments were created. It says the ID, which department it is. So we go to the next step, that is how many people we're gonna want to have at the beginning of the simulation. We're gonna put 20 people and click on here, and it says 20 people were just successfully added to the simulation. So to start all this process, we're gonna click in here, and there's a message showing us that simulation just started. So here we can see that we have 15 customers. The first 5 already got into the system. The rest are in the waiting list of this like information model or something, just waiting for their turn, and this is some kind of person that says, oh, you gotta go to certain department, and for example desktop number 3 or 1, or it depends. So they are waiting, and in this part we can see the number of the department. We can see also the list of the desktops, the client they have in here at this moment, how many shifts she or he has, and the number of documents he or she brought. So this is desktop number 2, there is customer number 3, desktop number 3, this is empty, and this is everything related to department number 2. So in this part we give it like another shift, and it takes off a shift from every client in here, so the system is working on, and they also are gonna wait to get in to the department they want. We would like to put 10 people more to the list, and it starts to work. So basically this is how the process of developing software works. We first do an analysis, then we design, and then we start coding to make the solution for the problem we presented. And then when this version is final, we proceed to make tests to improve some things that are not working well, and basically we finish this thing and show it off to the interested, right, to the client or customer that is gonna buy off this software to us. So I think this is all. Thank you very much.